Hello viewers, this is Shiabul Islam. In this video, we learn about why are the database necessary for Python developers. Basically, databases are an integral part of developing any website or web application. Let's explore the top reasons why using a database is crucial when working with Python. For learning purpose, video we in this video we divided the database is the necessary of database for Python developers by step in many steps. Step number one is data practice, data pre- data structure storage. Database enable structure storage and enforcement on otherwise unorganized data, making analysis and operator easier. Relation between data can be modeled thanks to the meticulous organization of the data. Scalability. With database, user can utilize the scaling attribute or handle large growing data volume and the traffic, making use to handling and the recapitulation. This makes them ideas product system. Number three is access control. In today and age, protection the cyber attacks is the paramount significance. A data breach can result in the leak of sensitive customer information, several damaging and reputation of the company. Therefore, limited the access of database certain individual and it complaint robust access control mechanism can suffer safeguard sensitive data storage in the database. Number 4 is integration. Python drivers and libraries integrate popular database into Python application transparently and efficiently. Subsequently, you can store and retire data with is analytical capabilities. Data analytical is a variant to analyze the preference to your website. SQL database included powerful queries, arranging and analysis function out of the box and delivering insights of improving your site performance. Number 7. Number 6. Robustness. All database provided resilience against application and the hardware failure through backup or recovery, replication and automatic failover. They ensure the critical data is not permanently losing case of emergency failure. The number 7 is data persistence. Database provided persistent storage and retrieval of data beyond program life cycle. The allows long-term data uses spanning multiple session, making a job developers and data analysis easier. With database, user can utilize the scaling attribute to handle large growing data volumes and traffic, making use to handling and reapplication. This makes them ideal and production system. I hope this video is helpful to learn about why are database necessary for Python developers. If you like this video, if you thought this video is helpful for you, then you can like this video, share this video, and also you can comment in down below. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.